Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to say other phrases in Tibetan and French. If we want to say, in Tibet, there are cats, we say.
별나, 심이도.
In this sentence, do provides information indicating that we have seen cats directly in Tibet. If we want to say, in Tibet, there are cats, when we haven't seen them ourselves but we know that there are cats in Tibet, we say.
별나, 심이요래. 별나, 심이요래.
I have a book.
Ngaladepio.
You have a car.
Kelangla, motadum.
You have a car.
Cherongla, motadum.
He has a house, when we have seen it.
Kongla, kangpatu. Kongla, kangpatu.
He has a house when we haven't seen it ourselves but we know it.
Kongla, kangpayore. Kongla, kangpayore.
Have some tea. Enjoy a cup of tea. When someone comes to the house and we offer them something to drink, like tea, we say.
설자쳐. 설자쳐.
The person replies and says, yes, thank you, I'll have some tea.
ngacha, 뚱기인. ngacha, 뚱기인.
Or they say, no, thank you, I won't have any tea.
ngacha, 뚱기민. ngacha, 뚱기민.
We can also sometimes read,
ngacha, 뚱기men.
or,
ngacha, 뚱기men.
we invite the person to sit down. We can say, sit here.
대르쭉당.
You can sit here.
대르쭉당.
Let's review the expression, learn well.
약보, 창랑록낭.
And to finish, I will simply say,
젤라젤용.